Oh, hello guys! So today I hope in this short video I'm gonna try and install the HYPRLAND window manager on the Fedora 38. I'm not sure how that's gonna go. We will try and see if it's going to install it no problems at all, or well, we'll see. So without further ado, let's go to the video. Okay guys, so I have prepared a brand new install of the Fedora 38 for this. The only thing I did is just install it, set it up a little quick and updating it. So now there is, well, of course, the Hyper Window Manager repo, and this is explaining how to install the HYPRLAND on Fedora. I've seen many people succeed with this. I've seen many people complain it's not working. I have been trying it a few weeks ago and it did not happen well, at least not happen well for me. So today I'm gonna try and search in the Fedora COPR's repo for anything that is ready to be installed, and supposedly it's going to be easier for install the HYPRLAND. So let's see. And by the way, the Fedora COPR repo, it's basically like on the AUR on the Arch, which is pretty awesome. And let's see what we can find. We are looking for HYPRLAND. It should have many inputs. Let's see. Yeah, there is. Now the thing is, we are not sure which one is the good one, which one it's going to work. So we're gonna try at least one of them and see if that's working. Let's go with that one. I think I've heard this user's inputs before. We're gonna click here. Okay. Or maybe we're gonna go with that one. It says old Fedora 38, so it should be the latest and the greatest. I don't really know which one I should go with. Well, let's still go with that one. We need this to enable the repo. Let's open the terminal. We need the password. Yes, I do want to enable it. All right. Let's update just in case. And as we can see, the repo for HYPRLAND, it's already there. Let's just sudo dnf install HYPRLAND, I believe. What is the name of the package? Okay, so this may be not the best one. For example, let's try the other one. Okay, this is going to be a mess now, maybe. So let's enable this repo now. Yes, I do want to enable it. Let's update. And let's try and install. Okay, this is already better. We are prompt for installation. Yes. It shouldn't take too long. And it's already done. Let's update just in case again. We're gonna need to get out of here. Let's log out and see if we have an working HYPRLAND window manager. Okay, we have the input. All right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. This is not the best I was hoping for, but oh well. This might be the reason for the virtual machine. I don't know. But we do have HYPRLAND installed on Fedora. Oh yeah. This is how you try and install or not install the HYPRLAND on Fedora. Let me know what you think. Let me know what is your success rate installing it and using it. I heard a lot of people have succeeded with installing and using it, but after a few updates it got broken again. So I don't know, maybe if you wanna use HYPRLAND, just use the Arch Linux and that's it. Okay, that's all from me for today and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!